Welcome to BMAC Accounting How-To video tutorial. This video will educate you on how to customize chart of accounts on BMAC Accounting. This video will take you through steps in customizing the BMAC chart of accounts for the business. BMAC has 5 layers of accounts to facilitate transaction classification, transaction roll-up, and decomposition. The 5 layers comprise the following. 1. Group. These are the 5 balance sheet classes comprising assets, liability, income, expenses, and equity. 2. Subgroup. These are the second layer group that roll up to the overall group. For example, assets have 2 subgroups, non-current assets and current assets. 3. Subgroup. These are the third layer item that roll up to the subgroup as defined above. For example, the subgroup that roll up to the subgroup like current assets are inventories, trade receivables, cash and cash equivalents, and other current assets. 4. Subgroup. These are the fourth layer item that roll up to the subgroup as defined above. The subgroup that roll up to the subgroup in receivables are trade receivables and other receivables. 5. Accounts. The last layer item is the ledger account where transactions are posted. These automatically roll up from the subgroup to the group. It is important that the above categorization is strictly adhered to and accounts are created at account level only, otherwise it would throw the account out of balance. Note also that transactions roll up from the account level to the nearest parent groups are explained below with assets and current assets. For example, to customize or modify a company's furniture or fitting, take the following steps. Step 1. From the business setup, click on Chart of Accounts. Step 2. You will see the 5 classes of accounts listed: assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and cost. Step 3. Click on Assets and you will see further options: non-current assets, current assets, and cumulative depreciation. Step 4. Click on non-current assets to view the available options: property, plant and equipment, and investment property. Step 5. Further click on property, plant and equipment. You will see all the available fixed assets listed. For example, office equipment, furniture and fittings, motor vehicle, buildings, and lots more. To modify, click on the edit icon in front of furniture and fixtures. Step 6. Replace the ledger name with any other fixed asset name you prefer. Step 7. For an existing company with opening balances, impute the open balance here. And Step 8. Click on the Save button, then go back and check to see the modification you have made. If, however, you wish to create a new account, for example, a customer receivable account, takes the following steps. Step 1. From the business setup, click on Chart of Accounts. Step 2. Click on Add Ledger. Step 3. Select the parent group that the customer ledger account will roll up to, in this case, receivable trade. Step 4. Type in the accounts to create under ledger name. Step 5. Assign it to a code under ledger code in a chronological order with the other existing code. Check the last code assigned to the last created account under the same parent group to know the code to use. Step 6. Select the balance type. In this case, debit, because receivables account should have debit balance. Step 7. Click the Save button. Thank you for taking time out to watch this video. Please practice this a couple of times to master this process.